Any doubt? Last class you practiced purchase requisition with different types. Okay, purchase requisitions. I started means how to create purchase requisition, how to copy purchase requisition, how to create with source determination. Okay, how to create multiple material numbers. Okay, these are all the different examples I explained. Correct? Purchase requisition we can call PR. Okay, PR. Now that extension I am going to explain. It's nothing but a RFQ. Okay, RFQ. Request for quotation. Request for quotation. Okay, request for quotation. Okay, RFQ is nothing but a request for quotation. Okay, request for quotation. Okay, see now, normally for material, we'll maintain some material number M1. For this material number, we'll maintain the sources like vendors will maintain. Okay, vendors are suppliers like V1, V2, V3 by using sources. Okay, V2, V3 by using sources we can maintain. Coming to the request for quotation, it is nothing but a bidding. It's nothing but a bid. A bid. What is the quantity we required? Okay, what is the quantity? Okay, what is the quantity? What is the quantity we required? Okay, like V1, okay, 1000 kg I am giving order. Okay, 1000. Okay, V1. Okay, 1000 kg. Okay, 1000 kg. V1 quantity 1000 kg. V2 also 1000 kg I am giving order. V3 also 1000 kg quantity. But now using quotation, will maintain the price data. Okay, price data. Vendor 1 is supplying. Okay, vendor 1 is supplying 100 rupees per kg. Vendor 2 105 rupees per kg. Vendor 3 103 rupees per kg. This is we can call quotation. Quotation. Using quotation, what we can identify? We can identify the rank for the vendors. This is R1. Okay, this is R1. This is rank 2. This is rank 3. This is because 103 is less, rank 2. Okay, to identify the ranks, we can use here RFQ, and one more point here. Okay, one more point here. To maintain the like approved. Okay, this vendor is approved. This vendor is rejected. This vendor is rejected. Okay, rejected. We can maintain by using, means we can maintain the approvals and we can maintain the rejected. Okay, options by using request for quotation, RFQ. This concept I can call RFQ. This concept I can call quotation. Both okay in the same concept only. RFQ slash quotation. Okay, slash quotation. The quotation is nothing but a price data we can maintain. Quotation is nothing but a price data. Okay. Understand the once again? Not. It's only two, is there? Okay, let it be. Bhavya understood this point. What exactly the meaning of quotation and request for quotation and quotation? Any doubt? Sudarshan, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. To maintain this data, first we have to. Okay. To maintain this data, first we have to configure. We have to configure this one. Okay. How to configure that? Okay. Step first before configuration, transaction code list. Okay. Transaction code list for RFQ / quotation. Okay. Transaction code list for RFQ / quotation. ME41 create RFQ. ME42 change RFQ. ME43 display RFQ. ME okay. ME4L RFQ by report. RFQ by material wise report. ME vendor wise report. Vendor report. ME4M RFQ by material report. Okay, material report. RFQ by material report. Okay, next one. ME47 maintain quotation. ME48 change quotation or display quotation. Display quotation. ME49 okay, price comparison. Okay, price comparison. Okay, these are all the main transaction codes under RFQ. Okay, main transaction codes under RFQ. Okay, this 8 transaction codes. Okay, 8 transaction codes. Okay, these are the T codes. Next. Okay, next. Okay, how to maintain. Okay, how to maintain. Here document type is document type. ANA field selection. Document type is AN. Field selection key is ANA. Okay, field selection key is ANA. Okay, field selection key is ANA. Okay, how to maintain. Just go to SPRO first configuration. Let's see. 41 you can see here AN is that document type we are recreating. Okay, recreating means copying. First go to SPRO. Okay, go to SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Material management. Okay, purchasing. Purchasing. Under purchasing, RFQ slash quotation. Okay, define number ranges. Define number ranges. Execute. Intervals. We can already last class also we created a one number range. You can use the any number series. You can use the any number series. These are all external series either. We'll create our own series. We'll create our own series. Like example, let's take 43 is the number range. Okay, 43. You can choose this number range only. 43 is the number range. Copy this 43. Okay, 43. Back. Define document types. Define document types. Click on select. Click on AN. This is the standard document type. This is the standard document type. Click on AN. Click on properties. Copy properties. Copy as. Get copy as. Click on copy as. Maintain the parameter. Okay, AN is here. Will maintain the LG request for quotation. Just will maintain the here number range interval is 43. That's it. Only internal number range. Otherwise, you just browse here. You have seen just now. 43 is the numbers. Okay, 43. Only internal. You can select anything. Any number you can select. No issue. Even LG also we created last class. You can select that one also. LI also we created last. Okay. Any number you can select. Enter. This is the field selection. I have written here. ANA. Very important. It is enter a question. Document type is AN. I told you AN. Field selection is ANA. This is only ANA. These two are mainly okay, to maintain the field information. Okay, field information. How to maintain? I'll show it now. Enter. LGN already existed. LG A1, LG A2. LG A2 is a new one. Copy all. Okay, click on copy all. Okay, here document type is valid. It is showing this once if we copy, it will show the document type. It should be here standard and standard only. Okay, if it is other than standard, it will show error. You have to cancel. Then immediately it will copy the LGA2. See now it is copied now. Okay, save. Okay, save. You have to maintain standard document type. Okay, standard document type document type. Okay, click on save. If you check that allowed categories, select this document type, allowed item categories, allowed item categories. See now, this all by default it will come. Okay, this all by default it will come. Okay, by default it will come. Save, back. Now we have to maintain the field selection key. Define screen layout at a document level. Define screen layout at a document level. Okay, define screen layout at a document level. Execute. Click on execute. Double click on ANA request for quotation. Okay, double click on ANA request for quotation. Select the basic data. Select the basic data. Plant and storage location is required entry. Same as it is, almost all next to 3 classes. Okay, plant and storage location. Click on next button. Click on next selection group. Next selection group. Collective RFQ, very important question. Collective RFQ, okay, write down this one. Collective RFQ, it is a serial number. The collective RFQ, it is a serial number. It is a required entry. Okay, collective RFQ, it is a required entry. Collective RFQ means, write down the definition. Very important question. Collective, without collective RFQ number, there is no RFQ. Collective RFQ, it is a serial number. It is a serial number to identify, to run quotation report. Okay, quotation report, and to identify the rank, and to identify the rank, that we can call collective RFQ. Okay, collective RFQ. Okay, to identify the rank. Select this mandatory. Next screen. Purchase group is not mandatory. Purchase group not mandatory. Next screen. Quantity, target quantity, unit of measure. Okay, so your price is not selected. Only quantity, target quantity, and unit of measure. Okay, unit of measure. Click on next screen. Delivery date. Okay, delivery date. Next screen. Okay, next screen. These are all the main important fields. Click on back, save. Okay, click on back and save. Just update the screen. Update the NA. Now we'll test the purchase. Sorry, we'll test the RFQ. We'll test the RFQ. Testing, always you have to go to SAP menu only. Testing. SAP menu. SAP menu. Logistics. Logistics. Material management. Purchasing. Purchasing. RFQ. Okay, request for quotation. ME41. ME41. Okay, double click. Select the RFQ. Select the RFQ type. Select the RFQ type. LGA2. Quotation date. Quotation deadline date. Today I am creating quotation date. Quotation deadline is 18. Okay, that is purchase organization, which we created so many purchasing organization. Let me run ME5A. I don't know which organization I created. Last class we created GBN. Let me run that one. Okay, purchasing organization. LGBN, okay, the plan name. Something LGST. Purchasing organization, LGST, I think. Okay, LGBN 01. Use the company code for the plans. LGBN. Some data is mismatching. Let me run. I think this data only. This also there, LG05. Both are there. Okay, let me run this one first. 01. I'm going to check the architecture structure. We have the two company codes parallelly actually. LG01 and LG05. Let me check LG05. Okay, this is correct only. LGSP. Okay, LGSP. This is the different. Okay, this is a different. Means purchase organization is different. That's why it has displayed. Collective agreement number. Okay, any number you can give. Validity. How many validity? Okay, how many days validity? This quotation. 1 week validity. Validity end. Validity start. Validity end. Okay, validity end. And click on enter. Okay, material number. Okay, material number. Okay, browse. Select the material number here. Whatever the material number you want. Quantity 1000 kg. Okay, quantity 1000 kg. Delivery date. Quotation deadline is 18th. Delivery after 1 week I will give. 25th. Okay, 25th. You have to maintain here. Okay, main parameters material, quantity, delivery date. Okay, delivery date. Okay, delivery date. Click on. Okay, click on. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. It is asking first maintain the address. How many vendors we have to maintain? Here are written here 3 vendors. Okay, any vendor 1, vendor 2, vendor 3, like that. To maintain this one, we will maintain here item number. Here we have the one option is a vendor address. Here we have the one option, that is vendor address. Select the vendor address. Browse the vendor numbers. LG. Okay, browse the vendor numbers. LG 05. Select the vendor. Enter, automatically address will pick up. See now something LG SP not LG SP. Okay, this vendor is not related to this purchasing organization. We'll see here. Something issue. Okay, let me check the MKVZ. I'll run LGSP. Okay. These are all, these purchase orders are related to vendors, are related to all. I created LGST only, that's why it is giving error. Okay. But we created purchasing organization is here LGSP, but we maintained all another vendor. Okay, another vendor. Then I'll recreate here vendors XK01. Okay, some data is mismatching here. LG05. Account group is LGGTO, I think. Okay, this is Ganga. Enter. Enter currency, enter. Okay, save it. Okay, like that I can maintain n number of data. Okay, this is a new record I created. Okay, just enter currency, save it. 2 vendors I created. Now if I browse these 2 vendors, it should show. Not this one. What is the number? 300, 300, 110. Say now 300, 110. Okay, maintained. Here we will maintain the vendor address. Okay, vendor address. Click on save. Okay, I'll create one more vendor. 3 vendors I'll create. Okay, something like continue means comparison purpose. I need 3 vendors. 3 vendors I am creating. Okay, save. Now check here. Enter. Save. First vendor is created. One RFQ will be generated here. Say one RFQ is generated. One RFQ. Same procedure. Same procedure for vendor 2. Vendor 2. Click on save. Click on save. For vendor 3. Click on save. Okay, for vendor 3, click on save. Okay, this is the way to maintain the RFQ numbers. Okay, RFQ numbers. Now 3 RFQ numbers are ready. Okay, 3 RFQ numbers are ready. Okay, now for these RFQ numbers we have to for change display same T codes only. Just if you want to change the any information, you can change here. Okay, you can change here, but we never, no need because we maintain same RFQ numbers. Same RFQ number, 3 RFQ numbers I created. 3 RFQ numbers. We no need to maintain any data here. No need to mention. Change we will use rarely, but even you can use the change also. But display means only just checking only. Okay, display means only checking the data. Okay, display data. Next. But here we have one. Okay, T code is a quotation T code. That is very important. Okay, quotation T. That is very important. Quotation is very. Okay, maintain quotation ME47. Okay, ME47. Okay, maintain quotation. Double click on that. Select one by one. First one is 000 43 0000. Select RFQ. Okay, select RFQ. Continue. Okay, continue. You can observe now here price. You can observe the price. Okay, 1000. Okay, 100 rupees. Okay, first vendor is 100 rupees. You can see the indicator also here, rejection indicator. Later we'll see rejection. Now not required is a rejection because we never immediately reject. Okay, later after comparison we'll reject it. First we have to maintain the price. This is the first vendor price, Ganga vendor price. Like that, the 3 vendor price we have to maintain 100, 102, 105 like that. Okay, all the vendor price will maintain. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. See now, RFQ number is ready. Okay, RFQ number is ready. Same procedure. Enter. Enter the price, net price 102. Okay, 102. Click on save. Next 102. Sorry, 2 number. Like that, you have to maintain the all quotation. Okay, maintain quotation. Okay, maintain quotation. Okay, 103. Okay, 103. I maintain total. Okay, 3 different prices. Okay, 3 different prices. Okay, 3 different prices. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Total 3 RFQs I maintain. Total 3 RFQs. Let me show the display. ME48 is nothing but a display. I'll show the prices one by one. This is the second number. 103 I maintain. This is the first number. I maintained here. 102. This is the third number. 000. Okay. Display button. Net price. Okay, net price. Okay, net price. Click on back button. Click on back button. Price comparison. Okay, price comparison. Okay, price comparison. Okay, price comparison. Double click on ME49. Okay, double click on ME49. Okay, double click on ME49. Execute. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. See, directly it won't execute here, collective RFQs. And it is asking, you can enter either quotation numbers or you can enter either collective RFQ numbers. Okay, you can enter either quotation numbers, you can enter either collective RFQ numbers. Okay, meaning without collective RFQ number you cannot generate. That's why I told you collective RFQ number is a serial number. It is a serial number. Here I have written somewhere. It is a serial to run the quotation report. See here now I am going to run the price comparison quotation report. Here you have to maintain the quotation number is collective RFQ number is 1. Okay, collective RFQ number is 1. Collective RFQ number is 1. Okay, collective RFQ number is 1. Okay, enter. Okay, enter. Okay, click on it. And click on execute here. Click on execute. Click on execute. F8 means execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. You can see easily. Okay, here rank you can see 1, first rank first vendor, second rank second vendor. It will show, excuse me, it will show vendor wise report. Okay, it will show vendor wise report, meaning 1110 it is a vendor 1 rank 1. Okay, 300 1111, that is vendor 2. You can see here, this is a bidder rank 1, bidder 2 102 rupees, bidder 1 100 rupees, bidder 3 okay 103 rupees. It will show clearly okay, each bidding report. Okay, bidding report. This vendor is green color. This vendor is normal ash color. Now we have to reject these two vendors. We have to reject these two vendors. To reject this vendor, select the bidder. Bhavya understood this point. Sudarshan understood this point. What is the purpose of report? Arthat understood this report. You can easily identify here rank 1. Sudarshan? Yeah. Click on bidder 2, quotation. You select here rejection indicator. Select here rejection indicator. Save. Same way, third vendor, double click, select here rejection indicator. Okay, rejection indicator. Click on save. You can see here two vendors are rejected, one vendor is accepted. Click on save. Okay. This procedure we can identify the best rank for the material. For the material. Next, material is same. Material is same. Only rank will be different. Click on save. Okay, back. Report. Okay, list display. Okay, list display. Okay, list display. ME4L. Okay, ME4L by vendor wise report. Okay, ME4L. Okay, by vendor wise report. By vendor. Enter the vendor number or remove the vendor number. Enter the purchasing organization name. enter the purchasing organization name or plant, both also you can enter. Okay, both you can enter. Okay, both you can enter. Click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Click on execute. Okay, click on execute. You can see now RFQ numbers. Okay, RFQ numbers. You can see clearly the price here also. You can easily identify here itself. But now we are just checking only report. It's not like a price comparison report. This is just only report. Okay, report. Next. Okay, next. This is vendor wise report. So this is vendor wise report. This is vendor wise report. Okay, this is vendor wise report. Then material wise report we have another one. ME4M. ME4M. It is a material wise report. It is a material wise report. By material wise report. ME4M by material wise report. By material wise report. Okay, double click. Okay, double click. Okay, double click. Don't enter any material number. Yeah. Okay, don't enter any material number. Practice aita. Okay, don't enter any material number. Enter the plant name. Enter the purchasing organization name. Enter the plant name. Enter the purchasing organization name. Click on. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Click on execute. Okay, click on execute. You can see all the material numbers. You can see all the material numbers. Okay, this is the way. Okay, this is the way to maintain or running the report for the material. Okay, material. Here one more. Okay, one more setting is there. Like if you want to see my print preview, like example, RFQ I created, but print I need. Okay, print, because here if I select this RFQ, if I click print, it won't appear. Okay, write down. This is a very one important question. Print preview. How to run the print preview report? Okay, this is also one question. To run that print preview, we can use ME9A, or first we have to maintain right now. To maintain the print preview, ME42. To maintain the print preview, ME42. It's nothing but a request for quotation. ME42. Double click on change button. Any RFQ number. Okay, any RFQ number. Enter. Enter. Select here messages option. Select here messages option. Select messages option. Browse here output type NEU. Browse here output type NEU. Select here print output NEU. Print output. Enter. Okay, enter. Okay, click on enter. Okay, click on enter. NU is nothing but an output determination type. Output type. It is also one entry question. What is the output type name? Why you have to select only NU? NU is a standard name. NU. It is not rejection. It is not reminder. We are going to check the RFQ name NEU. Print output, because I am going to check if we are going to do some okay external programs, we have to use this one, but it is used by only ABAPer. Okay, but here we are going to check the print output. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. It will ask logical destination, meaning printer name LP01. Okay, LP01 is nothing but a printer name. Okay, LP01 it is a printer name. Enter. Back button. Save button. Enter, back and save. See, now it is ready. Enter, back, save. Okay, this is the way. Okay, this is the way to maintain the information. To maintain the information, meaning RFQ related information. But I have to see the print preview. To run the print preview, messages. This is, I did not write the question here. Write down this question also. How to run the print preview. This is all print preview. ME9A. Okay, ME9A. Okay, print preview. Double click. Enter the document number, all same. Execute. Sometimes it won't show. Execute. See now here we have the processing status is 0 is there. Successfully processed earlier letter. Execute. See now it is displayed here. Select the RFQ number. Select the RFQ number. Click on display message. Display message means print output. RFQ output. Okay, display message. RFQ output. Select display message. You see here. Okay, you see here. Okay, you see here. These are all the data. Okay, these are the data. Correct? Quotation deadline, validity from validity date to delivery date, everything has come. What is the total quantity? Okay, 1000 pieces. Okay, 1000. This is only daily quotation. Okay, quotation. To maintain this type of print output for the users, actually here also we can generate the logo also, but the logo is related to ABAPer. Okay, logo like company logo, company name. Okay, all the details. It is generated by the ABAPer. Our work is how to generate. We generated correct only. Footer also we can maintain. Footer means company address. This is the form, one form, RFQ form. Okay, RFQ form. Any doubt, anybody? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Bhavya? Sudarshan. Okay. Try these examples today. Okay, try this example because means we are moving to next level. Like next level means project oriented. All are project oriented. Basic also project oriented only. But here from now onwards, we are maintaining okay, like different types of concepts: purchase orders, goods receipt, invoices. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. Hello, Sudarshan?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, sir, I can hear you.
Hello, Sudarshan? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, now it's audible.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Bhavya, you just try to practice this concept today, and we'll
Okay, sir.
concentrate on PO order. Very important. Almost 10 questions you can expect from only PO. Because most of the concepts are based on PO only. Without PO, there is no SAP MM only. Okay, that's why
Yes.
PO is very important. End user point of view important, and customizing very important. That's why tomorrow class will start the PO. Okay, I'll complete it PO, purchase order.
Okay.
Okay, two concepts I'll take it PO. Yeah, I'll stop it now.
Yes, sir, sure. Thank you.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Don't miss the
Yes.
session. Even Manjunath and even Punit, I think. Okay, Punit. Even Punit is downloading. Actually, is practicing. Okay, I'll check with him today evening. Okay, but try to complete all exercises. I'll stop it now.